Hi everyone, welcome to TGIF, your weekly dose of tech Gyan. In today's era of AI-driven innovations, securing your AI applications is critical. Securing your AI applications doesn't just mean protecting your data, it means safeguarding your reputation. For this, it's necessary to have a robust set of measures. Towards achieving this, Microsoft offers Purview, a comprehensive set of data governance and compliance tools. To share more details on this, we have Vasanta Lakshmi from the security team. Hi Vasanta, pleasure to have you on TGIF.
Hi Arvind, so glad to be here.
Great, thank you. Vasanta, at the recently announced Ignite conference, we've heard a ton of announcements on data security. Can you share some thoughts on the top announcements?
Yeah, the most interesting one to me, I believe, is data security posture management for AI, which was previously called as AI Hub. That's here to ensure that all the interactions with AI app that is going on, that's of course amazingly enhancing the productivity of all the end users. But as organizations need to ensure this data security taken care of, these interaction needs to be monitored. The data that goes in and comes out of it will need to be monitored as well.
Great. So, talking of monitoring, now let's assume a scenario. I have a user who's trying to upload some confidential information. How would this tool help me?
Yeah, great question. I think that's the exact scenario. Data security posture management for AI is here to help address. So, if let's say there's a user who's going to share confidential information, copy the data or upload the file, whatever is possible with all these AI apps today, is a risk for the organization. So what can you do? We have the concept within Purview, which will have integration between DLP, information protection, and insight risk management. And to address this particular question, data classification and labeling of documents is absolutely necessary. And then to prohibit exfiltration, top it up with DLP policies as well. This is going to help you fortify the data security across AI applications as well. And to answer your question, the end user will not be able to share anything from confidential documents, and the sensitive information is going to stay intact within the boundary. That's
2-1. Great. Thanks, Asanta, for that. Moving on to the next scenario, how would the tool avoid, say, oversharing of data? How can we prevent that?
Yeah. So Copilot for enterprises, there's so many organizations that have been using them, right? We need to ensure that the oversharing of data in terms of answer should be prohibited, and you have to monitor these AI applications for your own organization data security. To do that, again, data, information protection and classification and labeling of data will ensure that Copilot understands the confidential information and it should not be shared. So that way, you can ensure that oversharing details from Copilot is completely stopped to enhance the data security.
Great. Last question. In all use organizations, there are always a bunch of users who could be at high risk. So, how does the tool help me to identify these high risk users?
That's a great question. So, in my opinion, these risky users need to be monitored thoroughly, especially disgruntled users, users in PIP, performance improvement plans, or people who might be in notice period. They might do a lot of data exfiltration activities and they need to be monitored. And we do have a tool inside risk management to, keenly look into their actions and their action with respect to AI apps and what kind of data exfiltration they are doing will be monitored, and they will be rated across these applications based on their user risk to give more insights to the management and to ensure that they are leveraging adaptive protection, wherein if the end user is a risky user, he'll be automatically stopped through adaptive protection and DLP integration uh, from doing any of data exfiltration. That's the advantage of data security posture management as well again.
Great. Thanks for that, Vasanta. Let's get into a quick demo and understand the same. Okay.
We are the Purview portal and on DSPM for AI Blade, and the overview page will give you recommendations how to get you started on your data security journey across AI apps. You can see dashboards and reports and interactions over time with, for example, Copilot here. But you can get started directly with the recommendations provided in the DSPM for AI Blade. So, with Fortify Your Data Security, you have policies to block your elevated risky users from pasting or uploading sensitive information on AI sites. You can, block your end users from submitting prompts to AI apps. You can block your end users from submitting prompts to AI apps in Microsoft Edge. And then you can get started with controlling unethical behavior in AI. And then organizations are required to, follow AI regulations such as NIST AI RMF. You can monitor the interactions, AI interactions. You can flag risky communications, prevent sensitive data from being shared in AI apps, manage retention and deletion. Basically, all things required to fortify your posture management is right here. You can protect your sensitive data referenced in Copilot responses, protect sensitive data referenced in Microsoft 365 Copilot. You'll have the steps where you can go ahead and set them up and get you started.
Thanks, Asanta, for those insightful demos. As you see, leveraging the purview capabilities across DLP, insider risk management, labeling and classification, we are able to ensure the security of data and thereby empower you to innovate with confidence. Thanks for watching. See you next week on another episode of TGIF. Till then,